Hello friends, I am Mrs. Prachi Agrawal Nathani from Government GNA PG College Bhatapara. As in our earlier session, we have discussed about the course of AEC, that is Ability Enhancement course. So in previous session, I have told you that I will be teaching you prose. Unit 1 Prose of AEC. So, we will today discuss in this session A Devoted Son by one of the most famous Indian writer Anita Desai in today's session. So, as we all know, Anita Desai is an award winner Indian writer who has written many novels and many short stories and books which we have read. A Devoted Son, Anita Desai has written in the genre of simple language, and Anita Desai is a famous Indian writer who has written many short stories and novels in English. She is a award winner novel writer also, and in this video we will be discussing about his one of the famous work A Devoted Son, which we will come across in the next few slides. So, Anita Desai, as we all know, is an Indian writer who has written so many short stories and novels in English literature and given so much time to English literature. Fire on the Mountain is one of the collected stories by Anita Desai. Cry the Peacock is also one of the major novel of Anita Desai, Voices in the City by Blackbird. Almost all her stories talk about ordinary Indian life and characters. Her stories correlate the literature with the society. Anita Desai's collection of these stories was published in 1978 by Vintage and received widespread popular praise. Means Bye Blackbird, Cry the Peacock, Voices in the City, Fire in the Mountain. All these stories are all these stories are published in 1978 Vintage and received widespread popular person. Anita Desai was born in 1937 and was educated in Delhi. She is widely acclaimed in India and abroad for her novels and short stories with their delicate sensitivity and gentle irony. Her primary interest has been the emotional and social struggles of middle class Indian people. She has received many intellectual international awards, and three of her novels, Clear Light of the Day, In Custody, and Feasting, have been the most famous work. So, Anita Desai, as we all know, has written A Devoted Son, which we will discuss in the present session. The language in this story is very simple and style is narrative, means कहानी जो बोली गई है वो कथा के तौर पर है with the use of local Indian words which can be easily understood by the readers. Anita Desai's story, A Devoted Son, is all about duty and devotion that Rakesh has for his parents. Means यह एक ऐसी स्टोरी है, एक राकेश एक जनरल बॉय के बारे में है जो कि बहुत ही ड्यूटीफुल डिवोटेड बेटा है अपने पेरेंट्स का. राकेश कम्स फ्रॉम अ पुअर इंडियन विलेज, बहुत ही गरीबी से आता है. हिज ग्रैंडफादर यूज टू सेल वेजिटेबल्स इन द मार्केट. सो एज वी नो राकेश कम्स फ्रॉम अ वेरी पुअर इंडियन विलेज थे, वो एक वेजिटेबल वेंडर थे, सब्जी बेचने वाले थे. Although his grandfather used to sell vegetables in the market, received his grandfather जो राकेश के थे वो एक वेजिटेबल वेंडर है और राकेश ने अपनी जो चाइल्डहुड है वो काफ़ी पॉवर्टी में पास करी है. Rakesh is the first person in the family to get any education. So Rakesh is the only person in the previous slide that राकेश
Rakesh
के
is
पहले
very
किसी लोग
much
ने भी एज इनका
poor,
प्रोफेशन
but
सब्जियां बेचना
although
था, तो
he
कोई
has
भी
received
इनके फैमिली में पढ़ा लिखा
education
नहीं
in
था।
his
राकेश
family
पहला
and he is the
इंसान था जो
first
इनके
person.
फैमिली में एजुकेशन
When Rakesh
पास
finishes his
किया।
medical
व्हेन राकेश
examination with
फिनिशेस
the
हिज
top
मेडिकल
marks, being
एग्जामिनेशन
a
विद
poor
टॉप मार्क्स,
also,
हाँ,
being a
राकेश
son
क्या
of the
करता है,
vegetable
मेडिकल
vendor
की
also,
स्टडी करता
grandson
है,
of the vegetable
मीन्स
vendor
डॉक्टरी की
also,
पढ़ाई
Rakesh
करता
is
है।
very
व्हेन ही
intelligent
फिनिशेस हिज
and he
मेडिकल
finishes his
एग्जामिनेशन विद
medical
द
exam
टॉप
with the
मार्क्स,
top
इतना
marks.
गरीब होने के
Top
बाद
marks.
भी
When
ये
he
जो लड़का है
finishes his
राकेश वो काफ़ी
medical
इंटेलिजेंट है
examination
और
with
वो
the
अपनी
top
मेडिकल
marks, he
एग्जामिनेशन
is
टॉप मार्क्स से
he
कंप्लीट करता
first
है,
of
और
all
एज
goes
सुन
to his
एज
parents and
he
touch the feet
completes
of
his
his
medical
parents.
examination, the first
Foremost
thing
thing
what
after
he does
when
is
after
he
securing
went to the
scoring good marks
home
in the
and touched the feet of his father। तो सबसे
medical
पहले राकेश जैसे
examinations,
ही अपना
the
मेडिकल
first thing he does
प्रोफेशन
is to
टॉप
go
मार्क्स से
home and touch the
कंप्लीट
feet of
करता
his
है,
father,
एज ही इज़
as
वेरी डिवोटेड
the
सन, ही क्या करता था,
title
वो
only
सबसे
says
पहले
that
जाके अपने पापा के पैर को छूता
as
है,
we
ही
all
टच
know,
द फीट ऑफ हिज
Rakesh
फादर,
is
बिकॉज वो
very
अपने
much
पेरेंट्स
devoted
को
to his
बहुत
father, as
ज़्यादा
the title suggests,
डेडिकेटेड है,
devoted son.
डिवोटेड
So
है,
after
और वो बहुत ज़्यादा
completing his
अपने पेरेंट्स
medical
को
examination,
इम्पोर्टेंस
first thing
देता
which
है,
he
जैसे
does is
कि
to
मैंने
go home
अर्लियर
and touch
आप
the
लोगों
feet
को
of his
बताया है।
father.
अब अपन देखेंगे
Further,
कि स्टोरी
the
कैसे
story
चालू
also
होती है।
highlights
सो
that a
A
devoted son by
devoted son
Anita
by
Desai
Anita
is
Desai
set in a
is set
small
in a
Indian
small
town and
Indian
focuses
town
on
and
the
focuses
relationship
on the
between
relationship
Rakesh,
between
a
Rakesh, a
dedicated son, and
dedicated
his
son,
father
and his father
Varma.
Varma. The
The
story
story
opens with the
Rakesh
celebration
academic
of
brilliance
Rakesh
leads him
academic
to earn a
success,
scholarship to
highlighting his
study
humble
medicine in the
beginnings.
United
In a
States.
modest
His
family,
achievements are
Rakesh,
a
the
source
eldest son,
of
excels in his
pride for his
eldest son
entire
excels in his
community and
medical
family.
studies.
Despite
Family
making his
remains proud.
family, especially his
Rakesh
father,
academic
immensely
brilliance
proud.
leads him to earn
So
a
after
scholarship.
Rakesh
His
remains
study
committed in
medicine
his
in the
cultural
Rakesh father,
values, feels
his
very proud, and
achievements are a
returns
source
to
of
India
pride
to
for his
work in
entire
local
community.
hospital to earn
Despite his
scholarship after
success
dreams
abroad,
and
Rakesh remains
societal
rooted in his cultural
expectation.
values
So,
and returns
as
to
we
India
know,
to work with
Rakesh
the
is a
Roper
very
Hospital,
intelligent.
fulfilling his
He
father's dream and
went to
societal
abroad but
expectations. So,
United States to study the
राकेश जाता
medicine.
है
After
अपनी हायर
completing his
एजुकेशन लेने के
achievements
लिए। वो
there,
बहुत ही
he
गरीब
does
इंडियन
not
टाउन
work
का
there
लड़का
and
है,
come to
पर फिर
local
भी वो इतना
hospital in India
इंटेलिजेंट है,
and
और
give
वो
her
यूनाइटेड
his
स्टेट्स
services
जाता
over
है
there.
अपनी
Upon his
एकेडमिक
return,
स्टडीज़ के लिए,
Rakesh
मेडिसिन
marries a
की
girl
स्टडी के लिए
chosen
वो
by his
यूनाइटेड
parents,
स्टेट जाता
adhering
है,
to the
और वहाँ
traditional
पर भी वो पूरे
customs.
एंटायर
His decision to
यूनिवर्सिटी में,
marry
एंटायर
within his
कम्युनिटी में
community and
काफ़ी
follow his
अचीवमेंट्स करता
parents'
है,
wishes further
फिर भी उसके
establishes
पापा
his
की इच्छा
image
के अनुसार
as
वो
an
इंडिया आके
obedient
काम
and
करता
devoted
है।
son.
Upon his
His
return,
compliance
Rakesh
with
marries
these
a girl
tradition is
chosen by
seen
his
as
parents, adhering
continuation
to the
of his
traditional
dedication to
custom.
his
His
family.
decision to
So
marry
after
within his
returning
community
also,
and follow
Rakesh
his
marries
parents'
a
wishes
girl
further
chosen
establishes
by
his
his
image as an
parents.
obedient and devoted son. His compliance with these traditions is seen as a continuation of his dedication to his family. Rakesh's career flourishes in India as he quickly climbs the ranks in the medical field, becoming a respected and successful doctor. He is able to provide a comfortable life for his
Rakesh's
family,
career
moving them to a
flourishes in
bigger
India
house and
as he
ensuring they
quickly
had
climbs
all
the
the
ranks in
luxuries they
medical
need. His
field,
success brings
becoming
pride
a
and
respected and
happiness to
successful
his aging
doctor.
parents.
He
तो
is able to
जैसा
provide a
कि हमको
comfortable
पता है,
life for his
राकेश
family,
बहुत ही
moving them into a
इंटेलिजेंट
bigger
है और ट्रेडिशनल है, तो वो
house
अपने
and
फादर
ensuring
पेरेंट्स
that
की
they
इच्छा
all
से
have the
मैरिज करता है,
luxuries they need. His
और
success
बहुत ही
brings pride and
ओबीडियंट और
happiness to
डिवोटेड
his
सन
aging
कहलाता है।
parents.
राकेश
As
बहुत
Varma
करियर में
grows
आगे
older,
बढ़
the
जाता है
dynamics
और वो
of their
चाहता है कि
relationships
अपनी
begin to
जो
shift.
फैमिली है उसको
Varma
हर तरह की
becomes
लग्जरी दे,
increasingly
कंफर्ट दे,
dependent
एज
on
ही इज़ अ
Rakesh for
डॉक्टर।
care.
सो वो
Rakesh
लोग
takes
गांव
his
से एक बड़े
responsibility
मकान
seriously,
में, घर
ensuring
में
that his
मूव हो
father
जाते
receives
हैं,
the best
जहाँ पर
medical
वो बहुत
attention and
ज़्यादा
a strict
प्राइड और
diet to
अच्छे से
maintain his
हैप्पीनेस
health.
के
However,
साथ अपने
Varma's
पेरेंट्स के साथ रहता
perception
है।
of this care
एज
changes
वार्मा
over
ग्रोज
the
ओल्डर,
time.
द डायनेमिक्स ऑफ
This
देयर
once
रिलेशनशिप
proud
बिगेन टू
and
शिफ्ट।
independent
वार्मा
Varma
becomes
starts to
increasingly
feel
dependent on
resentful of
Rakesh for
Rakesh's
care.
strict regimen.
Rakesh takes his
Rakesh
responsibility
insistence on a
seriously,
controlled
ensuring
diet
that
and
his father
medication
receives the
for his
best
father,
medical
despite
attention and a
Varma's
strict diet to
protest,
maintain
leads
his
to
health.
tension.
However, Varma's
Varma's feel
perception of this care
Varma
changes over
feels
time.
stripped
The
of his
once proud and
autonomy and
independent
dignity
Varma
as his
starts to
desires
feel
for certain
resentful of
foods and
Rakesh's
freedoms are
strict
denied by his
regimen.
well-meaning son
Rakesh's
Rakesh.
insistence on a controlled
The
diet
story
and
highlights the
medication for his father,
generalization
despite
and cultural
Karma's
clash
protest
between
leads to
Rakesh
attention.
modern and
Varma feels
medical
stripped of
approach
his
and Varma's
autonomy and
traditional
dignity,
desires.
as his
Varma
desires
sees
for
Rakesh
certain foods
actions
and
as
freedoms are
overly
denied by
controlling
his
and fails to
well-meaning son.
understand
So
his son's
वो चाहता
intentions.
है कि जैसे
The
ही
clash
वार्मा की हेल्थ
reflects broader
डिटोरिएट होते
themes of
रहती है
changing
तो
values and
राकेश
the struggles between
चाहता है
old
कि
age and
उसके
youthful
फादर को बेस्ट
authority.
मेडिकल प्रैक्टिस मिले,
Varma's
इसीलिए वो
resentment
स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट और
depends
बहुत अच्छे
on deepens
लोकल
as he
हॉस्पिटल से उसका
perceives
ट्रीटमेंट होता है.
Rakesh
बट
care
फिर
as
भी
oppressive.
इन दी
नहीं
पैसेज
मेरे
ऑफ
को और
टाइम
बढ़ाना ही।
उसको ऐसे लगता है वार्मा को कि राकेश है जो उसकी इंडिपेंडेंसी छीन रहा है, उसको कुछ भी खाने पीने नहीं दे रहा है. तो इसलिए वो थोड़ा सा वार्मा प्रोटेस्ट करता है कि मुझे थोड़ा सा अपने हिसाब से भी रहने दो, खाना खाने दो, अपने हिसाब से भी फूड देने दो. तो उसको थोड़ा सा अच्छा नहीं लगता है वार्मा को. वार्मा ग्रोज ओल्डर, तो वार्मा धीरे धीरे ओल्डर हो जाता है ना. और वार्मा बिकम्स इंक्रीजिंगली डिपेंडेंट, पूरा डिपेंडेंट है राकेश के ऊपर अपने केयर के लिए. The story highlights the generational and cultural clash between Rakesh's modern medical approach and Varma's traditional desires. Varma sees Rakesh's actions as overly controlling and fails to understand his son's intention. The clash reflects broader themes of changing values and the struggles between old age and youthful authority. Varma's resentment deepens on his perceives Rakesh's care as oppressive rather than nurturing. The father who once celebrated his son's achievement now feels trapped and humiliated by the constant oversight. This shift in Varma's feelings undergoes the complexities of caregiving and the fine line between devotion and demolition. So, जैसे जैसे समय बीतते जाता है वार्मा को ऐसे लगता है कि राकेश जो है वो काफ़ी स्ट्रिक्ट हो रहा है उसके लिए, और उसके जो इंटेंशन थे कि मेरा सन बहुत अच्छे से अचीव कर लिया है अपनी सारी चीज़ें, वो धीरे धीरे वार्मा की चेंज हो जाती है, क्योंकि वो अपने आप को एक तरह के ट्रैप्ड पिंजरे में फंसा हुआ पंछी समझने लगता है कि हर चीज़ उसको राकेश के हिसाब से करनी पड़ती है, जो कि वार्मा को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आती है. तो जो केयर गिविंग है राकेश की वो कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी में टर्न होने लग जाती है धीरे धीरे, और डिवोशन और डोमिनेशन के बीच में एक गहरा लाइन खिंच जाता है दोनों के बीच में. From Rakesh's perspective, his actions stem from a place of love and duty. He believes that his medical expertise and strict regimen are in his father's best interest. However, he struggles to balance his professional knowledge with his father's emotional needs, highlighting the challenges faced by caregivers in maintaining the dignity and autonomy of their elderly loved ones. तो धीरे धीरे ये होता है कि राकेश के पर्सपेक्टिव से, उसके एक्शन से, उसकी लव और ड्यूटी, उसका केयर उसके फादर के लिए रहता है, एक्सपर्टाइज है वो मेडिकल में, है ना. लेकिन उसके फादर को उल्टा ही लगता है, वो सोचते हैं कि वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही बंधन में अपने आप को महसूस करते हैं. However, he struggles to balance his professional knowledge with his father. फिर भी राकेश ट्राई करता है कि वो अपने फादर को इमोशनली सपोर्ट करे और उनकी डिग्निटी को हर्ट ना करे. और स्टोरी इस तरीके से कंक्लूड्स होती है दैट वार्मा कंटिन्यूज डिसकंटेंटेड एंड राकेश परसिस्टेंट एफर्ट्स टू केयर फॉर हिम. The sigh leaves the readers reflecting on the nature of the duty and devotion, questioning whether Rakesh's strict adherence to medical protocols truly serves his father's well-being. A devoted son presents a nuanced exploration of familial love and responsibilities of caregiving and the potential of conflict when generational values collide. It prompts readers to consider the balance between caring for someone's health and respecting their autonomy and desire. तो स्टोरी ऐसे कंक्लूड होती है कि वार्मा डिसकंटेंटेंट होता है और राकेश उनके इमोशनल बीइंग को भी डिग्निटी को रखने की कोशिश करते रहता है, और दोनों के बीच में केयरिंग, उनके हेल्थ की केयर करने और उनकी ऑटोनॉमी को रिस्पेक्ट करते हुए राकेश ये बोलता है कि मैं अपने फादर की ऑटोनॉमी को या डिज़ायर्स को हर्ट नहीं करूं और अच्छे से रखूं अपने फादर को. ये राकेश बोलना चाह रहा है इस स्टोरी अ डिवोटेड सन में. सो वी कैन सी दी रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन अ फादर एंड अ सन, हाउ अपार्ट फ्रॉम बीइंग वेरी एजुकेटेड, कैसे लोग इतने एजुकेटेड रहते हैं, वो अपने फादर की कोशिश पूरी तरीके से इलाज करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, पर फिर भी उनके जो फादर है राकेश के जो फादर है मिस्टर वर्मा, वो काफ़ी अपने आप को ट्रैप्ड महसूस करते हैं अपने बेटे के अंदर। थैंक